I love you. They're three simple, wonderful words, and they sure make one feel truly special inside when hearing them. We tend to live our lives day by day, all too often exposed to angry, hostile, or negative energy that is directed toward us from other unhappy and frustrated individuals. Every one of us, including you, deserves to be spoken to with respect, with loving and kind words that nurture and warm your soul to fill it with love. So over the next few minutes, I'd like to tell you how wonderful you are and how much I love you. I'm going to repeat each of the phrases 3 times so that it gives your subconscious mind enough time to luxuriously accept it into your being, using those 3 glorious